hear the word latkas and jhatkas, the images that flash through our brains are of hot and beautiful babes of B-Town who groove and move on the desi spicy numbers that are popularly branded as item songs, and the darlings who twist on them as item girls. Seldom do we think of the hot guys who are in fact the most talented dancers of the industry like Hrithik Roshan, Shahid Kapoor, etc. However, with the growing trend of item boys in Bollywood these days, there finally seems some competition for the ladies. We bring to you the hot item boys of Bollywood who rock the whole nation. The first on our list is the promotional song Break Free from the movie Crazy 4. Shah Rukh Khan as usual appeared great in his cute ponytail look where he taught everyone a new spelling to the word crazy, although not much to the delight of the parents who were trying hard to erase it from their toddlers' memories. Not even the hot and sophisticated moves of SRK could save the movie from drowning, clearly living up to the audience's expectations. Hrithik Roshan too danced to the same tune in a bid to salvage the movie, but all in vain. The next on this list is again an SRK number that made the girls swoon over SRK's six-pack abs. Yes, you guessed it right. It's Darde Disco from the blockbuster Om Shanti Om. The song played on everyone's tongue, and the trend of six-packs tagged along in Bollywood, with Shah Rukh's rival Aamir following it in Gajni with his added perfection of two abs to it. The third one that really made a loud noise was the mutton song from the movie Love Ka The End. The song was in use for its uncanny lyrics and a weird yet funny picturization on the boy who is drunk out of his senses, dressed as a woman and thrown to the other drunkards in the dance bar to entertain them. The item boy was the lead actor of the movie Taha Shah, and we must say, for a newcomer taking such a risk and performing so confidently is commendable. Well, this particular person technically cannot be called as an item boy, but yeah, he did prove it right that he literally deserves to say Buddha Hoga Tera Baap. Yes, we are talking about none other than Big B, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. The speciality of this song is Big B himself and the touch of his old songs like Khai Ki Paan Banaras Wala, Pag Ghungru Band, Rang Barse Bhige Chunar Wali, Sara Zamana Hasino Ka Divana, etc. remixed to make up Go Meera Go. However, the song is not yet a big hit, but definitely hats off to this megastar to put up such a show at this age. Last but not the least is the much talked about item number Disco Fighter from the recent big hit Delhi Belly. Well, the stories around Aamir Khan looking for a sexy item girl to do this item song for him were always present. But finally, fed up of not finding an appropriate match, the perfectionist Khan decided to perform himself. Aamir is dressed like a typical 80s disco freak and has tried to recreate Mithun Das' magic. Unfortunately, the song couldn't fetch the speculated popularity, but yes, gave us another newcomer in the item boy industry. So, which of these item boys managed to make you go head over heels for him? And if not, then made you laugh at least? This is Yakuta Haji for Rajshri.com.